Introducing the Terraglide, the game changer in electric recumbent tricycles. Crafted by AJ Protech, this innovative ride offers a one-of-a-kind experience with its steer-by-wire technology, providing seamless control like never before. But that's not all. With a pedal generator seamlessly integrated, you can enjoy cruising without breaking a sweat, literally. Its smooth and efficient ride is powered by a completely electric system, making it not just comfortable, but also a sustainable choice. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, the Terraglide is the result of meticulous research and development, aiming to revolutionize mobility with eco-friendly solutions. Indimob's groundbreaking presentation. Hailing from Milan, Indimob sheds light on the urban challenges of today and presents their ingenious solution. Say goodbye to traffic woes, high operating costs, and parking nightmares, as Indimob introduces the RRI, a pedal-electric tricycle designed to revolutionize city driving. With its aluminum Delta trike frame and optional carbon fiber Monaco body, this trike is not only sleek, but also eco-friendly. Powered by a 250-watt Bosch CX motor and equipped with a 5-speed gearbox, the RRI effortlessly supports riders up to 25 km/h, while its range of 40 to 140 kilometers ensures you're always on the move. Plus, with hydraulic disc brakes, suspension, and LED lights, comfort and safety are guaranteed. Motors AEV, the ultimate self-balancing electric motorcycle that's redefining innovation. Combining the best of both two-wheel and four-wheel travel, the Motors AEV offers unparalleled comfort, safety, speed, performance, and cost efficiency. With an impressive range of 170 miles per charge and the ability to charge in as little as 5 minutes, it's 8 to 10 times more energy efficient than typical electric vehicles. Capable of tilting at angles of up to 45 degrees and reaching speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour, this futuristic ride prioritizes safety with features like seatbelts, airbags, and a robust steel and aluminum frame. Whether it's your daily commute or a weekend joyride, the Motors AEV ensures every journey is efficient and exhilarating. With a suggested retail price of $32,000, prepare to embrace the future of mobility like never before. SkyPak V1, a game-changing flying backpack that defies limits. This proof of concept marvel is not just electric, it's autonomy in motion, requiring zero operator participation for a truly liberating flight experience. Designed to navigate even the tightest spaces with ease, this compact flyer has already proven its mettle through successful flight tests, showcasing unmatched controllability and stability. Weighing in at 80 lbs with an additional 170 lbs from the support frame, the SkyPak V1 powerful punch, with its 112 horsepower output generated by 6 counter-rotating pairs of rotors, fueled by a 50-volt, 36.4 AMP-hour Li-All battery, this portable powerhouse is set to redefine personal aviation. Sunswift 7. Crafted by a team of brilliant minds from UNSW, this high-performance solar-powered automobile is setting new standards since 1996. Weighing a mere 500 kilograms, its sleek aerodynamic design ensures exceptional fuel efficiency while harnessing the power of the sun with strategically positioned solar panels on the roof and hood. Powered by a cutting-edge battery system, the Sunswift is at an average speed of 85 km per hour, recently shattering the world record for the fastest solar-powered race car to traverse 1,000 kilometers. But the journey doesn't end there. Sunswift Racing's mission is to surpass 120 km per hour, aiming for the Guinness World Record for the swiftest solar electric car to cover the same distance. Emotion Aircraft's groundbreaking innovation. Their fully electric vertical takeoff and landing air vehicle, aptly named the Emotion aircraft, is set to redefine air travel as we know it. With a unique distributed electric propulsion system featuring 16 tilting electrical motors, this aircraft seamlessly transitions between vertical takeoff and landing modes, promising unmatched versatility. Boasting a top speed exceeding 250 km per hour and a range of 600 kilometers, the Emotion aircraft prioritizes speed, range, and efficiency. Constructed from Kevlar and high-strength carbon composite materials, its lightweight yet robust design ensures both durability and corrosion resistance. Twike 5, a true marvel in electric hybrid vehicles. Combining pedal power with electric propulsion, the Twike 5 offers a unique and engaging mode of travel that's perfect for everyday use. With its reduced weight, increased power, and enhanced comfort, this innovative three-wheeler is designed to take you further with a range of 250 to 500 kilometers and speeds reaching 130 to 190 kilometers per hour. What sets the Twike 5 apart is its exclusive feature, allowing both rider and passenger to pedal, extending the range and charging the battery while keeping you in shape. Plus, with its innovative SID-stick steering system, precise and fatigue-free turns are a breeze. Segway-Ninebot's cutting-edge lineup. From the sleek and nimble Ninebot S to the powerful and durable Ninebot Kick Scooter Max, Segway-Ninebot offers a range of innovative solutions designed to revolutionize your commute. Whether you're cruising through city streets or zipping around campus, these self-balancing transporters provide unmatched stability, speed, and range, with features like anti-skid vacuum tires and adjustable knee control bars for riders of all ages. And with the Segway-Ninebot app, you can customize and control your ride experience like never before. Sorean QBX's revolutionary quad bike, the Sorean QBX. As pioneers in technological research and manufacturing, QBX quad bike introduces a one-of-a-kind vehicle that blurs the lines between bicycle and electric automobile, the Sorean QBX. Capable of speeds up to 45 kilometers per hour, this innovative intermediate vehicle, also known as a velo, prioritizes sustainability and efficiency. Designed with both urban and rural areas in mind, the Sorean QBX offers unmatched energy efficiency, boasting a consumption rate 10 times lower than that of a typical electric car. Introducing the Envo Upt, a groundbreaking four-wheeled mobility platform that's set to revolutionize electric micromobility. Currently in the process of being patented, the Envo Upt offers a wide array of future electric mobility solutions, aiming to provide a clean alternative to traditional automobiles, trucks, and utility vehicles. Developed with specific consumer groups and industry subsets in mind, the Envo Upt goes beyond being just a vehicle. It's a dependable companion for work, recreation, and everything in between. Boasting individualized comfort features like adjustable handlebar grips and steering, along with built-in lighting for safety, the Envo Upt's cutting-edge modular architecture caters to diverse needs with ease.